Bees versus wasps. These two insects are often misidentified, as people often take one for the other. Today in Animal WorldPlus, we will be answering the following questions. 1. What makes a bee different from a wasp? 2. How can we tell the difference between a bee and a wasp? 3. Are wasps and hornets the same? 4. In a one-on-one combat between bees and wasps, which do you believe would win? Bees are insects belonging to the suborder Apocrita and are closely related to wasps and ants. There are over 16,000 species of bees ranging in size from 2 mm to 39 mm, depending on the species. Bees are very important to our ecosystem. They pollinate 1/3 of what we eat. Bees' bodies have 3 segments like all insects. They have 2 pairs of wings, and their bodies are covered with many branched hairs. Bees are present in all parts of the world except Antarctica. They solely feed on nectar as a source of energy and pollen as a source of protein. Of the thousands of bee species, only the honeybee produces honey. Only female bees have stingers, and while all females have stingers, not all can sting. Bees are not aggressive. They are not out to get you. They would only sting when provoked or trying to defend their nest. Wasps also belong to the Apocrita suborder, but they are different from bees and ants. The size of wasp varies from 6 mm to 38 mm, depending on the species. There are over 30,000 species of wasps, with the more familiar one being those that deliver painful stings. But not all wasp species sting, and just like in bees, only female wasps have stingers. Wasps have a reputation of being more aggressive than bees, and would call out to their fellow wasps to join in the stinging party. They also have 2 pairs of wings, 6 legs, and 3 body segments. Unlike bees that feed solely on nectar and pollen, wasps don't. The larvae of wasps are carnivorous and feed on insects and spiders. Adult wasps, however, feed on sugars. Wasps are ecologically important as they help control the population of insect pests such as caterpillars and whiteflies. They also help with pollination. Wasps, like bees, can be found all around the world except in Antarctica. So how do we tell the difference between a bee and a wasp? Look at their lower abdomen. Wasps, unlike bees, have tiny petioles and a pointed lower abdomen. Also, look to find if the insect has many branched hairs. Wasps don't. In a lot of cases, bees are airier than wasps. There are some exceptions to this rule, like parasitic bees that have very little hair. The branched hair on the bee's body usually traps pollen, which the bee then transports back to the hive. Bees are more robust than wasps that tend to have skinny bodies. They have wide flattened legs, while wasps have rounded legs. Now to the question, are wasps and hornets the same? The simple answer is that the hornet is a type of wasp. Therefore, hornets are wasps, but not all wasps are hornets. Generally, hornets are larger than wasps. And finally, in a one-on-one combat between bees and wasps, which do you think would win? Wasps collect a wide range of insects, including bees to feed to their larvae. So it's not strange that wasps kill bees. The wasp exoskeleton is tougher than a bee's exoskeleton. Their jaws are built for tearing insects apart. Also, adult wasps have sugary teeth and seek out beehives to attack for honey or sugary syrup. In a one-on-one fight, the wasp has the advantage and would most likely win. Do you agree with our answers? Please leave a comment in the comment section to let us know what you think. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like, This encourages us to make more videos, and for more content like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.